Using Android device on an airplane mode. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see what happens when we turn on airplane mode on Android device and how you can enable airplane mode on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, in order to enable airplane mode on Android, all you have to do is swipe down from the top of your home screen to open up your quick settings. Now on your quick settings, you will find the airplane icon. If you cannot find it here, you can swipe it up to your left and there is an option for airplane mode. Simply tap on it to turn it on. Now, once it is turned on, the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth will get turned off. But you can manually turn it on if you wish. So when you turn on airplane mode on Android device, it will disable your cellular signal, your mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So whenever you are about to use in-flight Wi-Fi or connect to wireless headphones, this airplane mode will help you to prevent the interference with the aircraft system. And this is required by the airlines for your safety and compliance with the aviation rules. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.